हेलो बच्चों, चलो आज हम शेप ड्रा करते हैं। यह है स्फीयर शेप, यह है स्फीयर शेप, यह है सिलेंडर शेप, सिलेंडर शेप, यह है एरो शेप, एरो शेप, हेक्सागन शेप, हेक्सागन, क्यूब शेप, क्यूब शेप, oval shape, color it, light green color, square shape, light green color, square shape, purple color, purple color, square shape, shape name square, purple color, cylinder shape, sky blue color, cylinder shape, cylinder shape, sky blue color, brown color, brown color, cylinder shape, brown color, cylinder shape, brown color, arrow shape, pink color, pink color, arrow shape, yellow color, arrow shape, yellow color, hexagon shape, dark blue color, hexagon, dark blue color, green color, green color, hexagon shape, green color, cube shape, gray color, gray color, cube shape, red color, red color, cube shape, a red color, cube shape, light blue color, oval shape, oval shape, light blue color, dark red color, oval shape,